There's multiple ways to share packages. And this is important because if we have these packages, we know they exist. How do we put them in a place that it's discoverable for members of our team, either are discoverable for other people out there in the world that we want to share our content with? And we'll talk about two different ways. One is direct copy. This isn't the most efficient way to share a package, but it works. It's still good enough. It's better than manually getting all the files wherever they might be. And I've seen this before where we have a package that has a manifest inside of it and all the binaries or code snippets. And we put those out on a UNC path. I know it's what we talked about was bad UNC paths, but the packages are in a central location. And if folks know where that central location is, we can install the packages from that central location. It's difficult to deal with versioning with this approach because you just end up with a lot of files, because you end up with Kevin's package 1.0, Kevin's package 1.1, Kevin's package 1.2, so on and so on. So you're maintaining all these different versions in just one central location. It's also not easily searchable. If you don't realize that Kevin's package is named the way that it is, there's no search engine that will go through that directory. It's up to you as the consumer to look through all the content and figure out which package that you want to pull in. That's why we really recommend feeds instead of something like direct copy. With a feed, whether you're using the public repositories for any of these feed managers or you're maintaining your own with something like ProGet, you want a system that can track these packages. It knows all the metadata about the packages. It knows the versions of the packages or tracks the various versions of a package, gives you one click or one command installation of the packages. And maybe even you have a case where all your packages are internal private code you don't want to share with the rest of the world. Then you definitely need a tool like ProGet, because ProGet has the tools that aren't available in any of these public repositories. And then what we'll do is when we go into the section with UPack, I'll actually show you a little bit of ProGet.